The Red Fish and the Sea Tale. Once upon a time, in a small and peaceful town by the blue sea, there lived a cheerful old fisherman named Jack. Jack's greatest joy was waking up early, sailing out on his boat, talking to the waves and filling his basket with fish. One morning, Jack woke up early as usual, drank his coffee and set out to sea. As the sky turned pink and the sea gently waved, he cast his fishing line into the water. Suddenly, a sparkle appeared from beneath the surface. It was a tiny fish with big bright eyes and shiny red scales, something very special. Jack was amazed. He had never seen such a bright red fish before. The red fish swam toward the hook but didn't get caught. Instead, it began to speak. "Hello, Jack," said the fish. "I'm the red fish. Only those with a pure heart can see me." Jack couldn't believe his eyes, but he smiled and said, "Hello, little fish. Why are you here?" The red fish swam joyfully on the waves and replied, "There's a lost pearl deep in the sea. That pearl keeps the balance of the ocean. Without it, sea creatures will be restless. Will you help me find it?" Jack agreed immediately, and together they headed for the depths of the sea. The red fish swam ahead, while Jack followed in his boat. Along the way, they passed colourful fish, dancing seaweed, and mysterious coral reefs. Finally, they saw the pearl shining beneath a large rock, but a stubborn seashell was guarding it tightly. Jack thought for a moment, then took a small flashlight from his pocket. When he shone the light on the shell, it slowly opened. The red fish gently picked up the pearl with its fins and placed it where it belonged. At that moment, the sea began to sparkle. The sky looked bluer, and the waves became calmer. The red fish looked at Jack with joy and said, "We couldn't have done it without your help. Thank you. Now the ocean will be at peace." Jack smiled and replied, "And I'm thankful to have made a friend like you." The red fish dove back into the water, leaving behind a trail of shimmering light. As Jack returned home, the wind whispered in his ear, "Every act of kindness always turns into something beautiful." From that day on, whenever Jack sailed out to sea, he looked into the water, hoping to see the red fish again, and shared this magical story with children every night. Good night, sweet dreams.